Yes, Namaskara everyone. So today we'll be starting with the number system. So everyone knows what is number system, right? So let's study with the very interesting concepts. Okay. So here, does everyone know numbers? Does everyone know numbers? Tell me. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Ha. So here, Pawan and what? Pawan and his sister are going to Azurite school, right? Pawan and his sister are going to Azurite school. So they are what? Starting the school. Now they will learn about different things. So what they will learn? Let us see here. Okay. Okay. So first period is what? Maths here, and sir asks how many fingers are there? How many fingers are there? Yes, tell me. 10. 10 fingers. Okay. Total of 10 fingers. In one hand there are 5, in another there are 5. So total will be 10. So how do we count? How do we start the counting? We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So how do we start? We start with 1. So counting, where do we start? We start with 1. So that is what is natural numbers. Numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, goes on. Goes on means continues. What? Continues. Okay. So goes on, that is dash 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 is there, right? This. So that is etc. which are used for counting are natural. Naturally, how do we start? Natural means what? Natural, you know. Natural means Swabhavik, that is as usual. So how do we start counting? We start with 1. So that is why it is said as natural numbers. What is it? These are natural numbers. Understood? Okay now? So natural. First letter is, what is the first letter of natural? N. So it is represented with N. Because if we keep on writing natural, it will be bigger. So what we can do? We can just represent with the letter N. So what are the natural numbers? That is capital N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All those numbers are what? Natural number. Okay. So how do we start the counting? We start with 1. So that is why natural numbers. Understood? Yes. What is the doubt? No. It continues, goes on. I told, right? Continues. Continues like that only. 10, 11, 12 goes on till how much you can write it. It will be bigger and bigger. Understand? It continues. Okay? Numbers don't. Does any number stop? Numbers don't stop. Okay? Got it? So here, how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. Here, how many mangoes are there? 4. Here, how many petals are there? 5. No. Okay. Not total. We are just counting. So how that is how we count, right? We count with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So counting, numbers are used for counting to know how many objects are there. Here, how many mangoes are there? 4 mangoes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we count, isn't it? Yes. So counting. We are here to learn counting. That's it. Understood? Okay. So next, teacher gives homework. So what is the homework? That is, he asks to count the number of mangoes in Pawan's home. So Pawan, what does he do? He goes to home and takes the mango. Okay, takes the mango and then he counts. So total, how many mangoes are there here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total of 8 mangoes, isn't it? Okay, good. Yes, 8 mangoes are there. So what does he do? He gets an idea. So he invites what? He invites his friends for mango party. Yes, he invites them for mango party, and all the students, that is his friends, come together. They enjoy the mangoes. Okay, so they enjoy all the mangoes and eat it. So all the mangoes get, yes, yes, all the mangoes get empty, right? All the mangoes get over, that is nothing is there now. So nothing, how do we write nothing now? Empty ball. How do we write nothing? Zero. So how do we write nothing? We write with zero. Zero means there is nothing. The meaning of zero is what? Nothing. Understood? Yes. So it is given a representation, means it is given a number, that is zero. Got it? So after that, how do we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We count like this, isn't it? Yes. Yes. So 3, 4, 5, right? So this is how we count, isn't it? It go on. If there are more mangoes, it will go on. So 0 is there here. So 0 is there means, so for them what do we say? 0 and the natural numbers. Natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Natural numbers. 0 is what? Added to them. So 0 and natural numbers. What do we call them? Whole numbers. What do we call? Whole numbers. Got it? So 0 and natural numbers, what do we call? We call them whole numbers. Understood? So whole, WHOLE, whole. Whole means, yes, whole means total. So whole is what? W, right? So how do we write whole numbers? With W. So which are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It goes on. It goes on means continues again. Continues. Dash 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 means what? Continues. Isn't it? Okay. Good. Yes, what is the doubt?
0 plus natural numbers means like 20, 30.
That is what? Continues. Again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that. Any number, till any number it continues. Understood? Okay? Good. Good. So uncountable, that is why we say it as uncountable. So whole numbers are 0 plus natural number. 0 and natural numbers. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So next, should we go? So what did we learn today? Natural numbers. Natural numbers is written with n. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. So here natural numbers written with n and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers written with w and 0 is there in whole. Okay. What? 0 is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Understood? So write down, everyone. Write it down. Okay. Should you go next now? Okay. So whole numbers and natural numbers. So next, here what happens is, all the friends, there were how many? 7 friends and Pawan was one. So 8 total. But one more friend came newly. Right? So one more friend came newly. So what happened? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So that one more friend needs a mango, right? So he doesn't has that. So everything is empty, 0 mangoes. So what he does is, so he goes to his, okay, wait a minute, I'll silence. Okay. So what he does is, he borrows one mango for his friend, right? So what Pawan does is, he goes to his neighbors and borrow one mango, right? So what he is doing? He is taking one mango, isn't it? So that is, he is borrowing one mango from his neighbor, and his friend also gets one mango newly, right? So they enjoy the party, everyone, isn't it? Okay. So what he did? He borrowed one mango, means he took it. He has to return that, isn't it? He has to give it back. So what he has to do? Now borrowing is opposite of having. Now he has taken, he did not had, it is opposite, isn't it? So opposite numbers, mathematically, that is opposite numbers, how do we write? We write with minus. How do we write? We write with minus. That is, we have to return that, isn't it? We have to return that. So here borrowing one mango means what? that is -1. He has to return that mango, isn't it? So, or does he get for free? We have to return what we take, isn't it? So that is how here minus. What is the meaning of minus? That is opposite. What is opposite numbers? Means that is the meaning having or not having, like that. Isn't it? Borrowing, having and borrowing, opposite. Understood? So that is how. So here borrowing is opposite of having. So that is why the he borrowed how many mangoes? One mango. So he has to return that to his neighbor. So how many mangoes he will have? -1. Why -1? Yes, why -1? Because he has to return. Yes, he has to return that, isn't it? He has to return that. Got it? Borrowed it. So -1. Got it? So meaning of minus. Understood the meaning of minus? Yes? Yes, good. Not only borrowing, opposite. It is opposite. Okay? Got it? Good. So here, so number of mangoes with Pawan will be -1. That is minus. Okay? Good. So next here, so we saw empty means 0, nothing. Then here how do we count? 1, 2, 3 we count. Isn't it? This side. So opposite of this side will be borrowing. That is what? Borrowing. Can you see? If we had borrowed one mango, -1. If we are borrowed two mango, if we are borrowed two mango, how do we write? -2, -3, like that, isn't it? So it goes on, -3, -4, like that. So this is what we say. We say it as number line. What do we say? Number line. So it goes on. There will be 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. And this side also -4, -5, -6, like that. Understood? That is the number line. So these, what we say? These numbers we say it as integers. What do we say? Integers. That is, it includes, we say it as negative. Minus is there, right? Negative. What do we say? Negative numbers. Negative numbers. This side will be what? Negative and positive numbers. Positive numbers, isn't it? So negative and positive numbers. Understood? Yes? Got it? Okay. So this is how we write the number line. So it includes integers, includes 0 also, that is natural numbers. That is 0 and natural numbers means whole numbers. That is, we say it as positive numbers. This side is negative numbers. Got it? So numbers, that is -3, -2 is there, right? This side there are so many. Okay? So that is the meaning. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are named as what? Integers. What is the given name to them? Integers. Got it? So integers. Integers, how does integers will be represented? Tell me. How will it be represented? First letter I, that is I or Z. Z is Latin name, so that is different. So that is why we write it as I or Z. Generally we write it I only. So I is equals to what? -3, -2, like that. So this dot 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 means what? Tell me. That is, it continues. There are numbers, so many numbers. Understood? Okay. So this is the integers. So what are integers? Integers include minus, 0 and plus also. Yes. Got it, everyone? Z is the name. Here integer is there, right? Like that there is Latin name which start with Z. Okay. So Latin name start with Z. So that is why Z is given. Okay. Got it? Fine. So this is about integers. Understood about integers? How do we come to minus also, 0 also and positive also? Yes? Meaning of negative numbers? Okay? Okay, good. Okay, good. So will you write it down? Baritri? Okay, okay. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Okay, okay. Write it down. I will give 1 to 2 minutes. Write it down. Okay. Yes, is it audible? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Sir, 1 second, 1 second.
Okay.
1 second.
Completed writing?
No, sir.
Okay, just nothing, you just have to write this it down, that's it. Okay, not more. Fine. Okay, good.
Sir, you have to write in the close, right?
Okay, fine. So later you can write from the video. Okay, so we will continue. Understand? Okay, just a minute. I think noise is coming. Yeah, noise is coming. Just a minute. Huh? ನೆನಪೇ
I will write everything from the video, sir.
Okay then. So we'll continue. Okay, we'll continue and we'll finish it. Fine. Okay, see here. So next, if you see what we have studied about what number line, isn't it? So number line is representing numbers, that is 0 and then positive numbers and this side is negative numbers, isn't it? Yes. Okay, good. So all these numbers are what represented on the number line, isn't it? So number line is what? Number line is visual representation of numbers. What? Visual representation of numbers. Okay, that is at a equal interval. So the space between these two numbers will be what? Same, that is, it means 1 gap. Okay, understood? Okay, good. So that is what is the number line. So number line, what? It extends in the both ways infinitely, means there are so many numbers. After this also 6 will come, 7, 8, like that. It extends in the both the direction. Okay, -6 here, -7, that all will what? It will extend. Understand? Okay, good. So here can be extended infinitely, and then if you move in the positive direction, the numbers will increase. See here, 1 2 3 4, positive direction. Positive direction is this side, 1 2 3 4. What is happening? The numbers are increasing. If you see from this side also, -4, -3, -2. So -2 is what? Bigger. -2 is what? Bigger than what? These all, -5, -3, -2. Here opposite. Here 2 is smaller than 5. But here -2 is bigger than -5. Opposite. Isn't it? That is how the opposite numbers. Got it? So that is, if you move in the positive direction, the numbers will increase. If you move in the negative direction, the numbers will decrease. Okay. So 0 is what? Neither positive nor negative. 0 is nothing. Isn't it? 0 is nothing means it is not positive also, it is not negative also. Got it? So that is the number line. Understood? Will you remember that? Okay, good. So here let us see now. So I will tell, I told you opposite, isn't it? Opposite. So here if you see, the upward direction is taken as positive. So downward will be what? Downward will be negative. Opposite, negative. So this well is downward, dug in the ground. So what? How can we represent this? 35 meter it is written. So what will be the depth of the well? Yes, that is height of the well will be minus 35 meter. It means what? Minus means what? It is dug in, that is deep, isn't it? That is the meaning. Yes, opposite of going up will be down. So it is dug inside, that is why minus. Understood? Yes. What is the meaning of minus? Minus means opposite. Okay, good. So this is the meaning here. So here -1, is it integer or natural number or positive number or whole number? Tell me.
Integer.
It is integer. Okay, so we know natural numbers means it starts with 1 2 3 4, all these, right? It doesn't has minus. Whole numbers start with 0, 1 2 3, like that. Okay, next positive numbers means 1 2, all these, that is natural numbers are positive numbers. Okay, got it? Good. So that is the, what is, answer will be integers. Understood? Yes. Okay. So next question, 0 is natural number. Is it true or false? False. Understood? So it is false. Okay. Good. So next, numbers. So what did we study today? Numbers, different numbers. So natural numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is represented with n, and then whole numbers is, that is 0 plus natural numbers, isn't it? So all the numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all what? Whole numbers. Got it? Next is integers, that is minus, 0 and positive numbers. All those include what? Integers. Okay. Positive numbers means it is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive. This is positive. There is nothing means here 2 is there. There is nothing in front of it means plus 2. Both are same. Both are, if you write plus or not, doesn't matter. It will be same. Understood? Got it? So that is positive integers. Next is negative integers. Negative integers, we have to write the negative sign. What we have to do? We have to write the negative sign. Understood? That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. Got it? Yes? Okay, good. So next is one more, 0 is neither positive nor negative, isn't it? 0 is not positive also, not negative also. It is just an integer. Okay, good. So this is how we classify all the numbers. That is, if you see here in the whole, that is integers, if you take outside, inside that will be whole numbers. What? Whole numbers, and inside that will be natural numbers. Got it? Yes. That is, first will be natural numbers, and then if you add 0, it will become whole numbers, and to that if you add the negative numbers, it will become integers, isn't it?
Zero.
Huh.
Sir, I can't hear your voice.
Okay. So is it audible to everyone? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is audible, right? Okay, good. So here, this is the numbers. These are about all the numbers. Understood? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, good. Understood?
Sir,
Good.
I have a doubt.
Yes, what is the doubt, beta?
Sir, when are you going to correct our homework?
Homework correction. Okay, let me tell you. Wait. So thank you for watching, everyone, and subscribe to our Azurite classes. Join our classes for your Navodaya and Sainik preparation. Thank you.